Tired of manually typing a new shipping address every time you sell on eBay? Learn how to add another address in 30 seconds. I will show you exactly where to click in your eBay account settings to add a new shipping address permanently. It is simpler than you think, and once you do it, that address is saved forever. So, let us start right now. Go ahead and log into your eBay account. The first thing you need to do is hover your mouse over your profile icon. That is that little silhouette or avatar in the top left corner of your screen. Just rest your cursor there for a second. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes stuff lives. Your payments, your preferences, and of course, your addresses. Once you are on the Account Settings page, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You will see a list of options. Go ahead and click on the one that says Addresses. This is the central hub for every location you use for buying and selling. All right, now we are inside the Addresses section. You might see a default shipping address here already. Scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Shipping Addresses. This is different from your return address, so make sure you are in the right spot. And here is the really important part. Right below your existing addresses, you will see a button that says Add Another Address. Go ahead and click that. This button is what unlocks the flexibility to ship to a completely different place. Now, fill in the address fields carefully. This is where you need to pay close attention. Start with the full name of the person or business you are shipping to. Then, enter the street address. Make sure you get the apartment or suite number right if there is one. I have seen so many shipments get delayed because someone forgot that one little detail. Next, add the city, the state, and the zip code. If you are shipping internationally, you will also need to select the country from the drop-down menu. And do not forget the phone number. eBay sometimes requires this for customs forms or delivery updates, so it is best to include it. Take your time here. Once you have double-checked that everything is spelled correctly and the zip code matches the city, go ahead and click the blue Save button at the bottom of the form. And that is it. You have now added a new shipping address to your eBay account. The next time you sell an item and need to send it somewhere else, that address will be right there waiting for you in the drop-down menu. No more manual typing. No more copy-paste errors. Just a quick click and you are done. I have done this myself for multiple addresses, and it saves so much hassle every single time.